Let's find the limit as x and y approach 0, 0 of x to the 6th y squared over 2x to the 12th plus 3x squared y to the 4th plus y to the 4th. And here we're going to consider two different paths. So the goal here is to show that it's not going to exist. So the first path will say along y equals 0. So we have the limit as x comma 0 approach 0, 0. And then we're going to replace y with 0. So it's x to the 6th times 0 squared over 2x to the 12th plus 3x squared 0 to the 4th plus 0 to the 4th. And this just reduces to limit as x approaches 0, and then x to the 6th times 0 squared is just 0. That's over 2x to the 12th, and the rest are 0. So all of these are 0. And 0 over 2x to the 12th is 0. Okay, now we're going to consider a different path. So the goal here is, can we get most of these terms to have x to the 12th as the exponent? It turns out we can do that. So if I take, let's say, x to the 6th y squared, if I set that equal to x to the 12th, divide both sides by x to the 6th, I get y squared is equal to x to the 6th, take the square root, and we get y equals x cubed. And that's going to work. So let's go along the path y equals x cubed. So you have limit as x comma x cubed approach 0, 0. And we have x to the 6th times y squared, but y here is x cubed, over 2x to the 12th plus 3x squared, and then y is x cubed to the 4th plus x cubed to the 4th. This reduces just limit as x approaches 0. We have x to the 6th times x cubed squared, which is x to the 6th. And then x cubed to the 4th, you just multiply the exponents, that's x to the 12th. Just keep simplifying. We have x to the 12th on top, 2x to the 12th plus 3x to the 14th plus x to the 12th. And notice in the denominator here, we have 2 x to the 12th and x to the 12th. So we can add those to get 3x to the 12th. And now I can divide everything by x to the 12th. So we have 1 over 3 plus 3x squared. And as x approaches 0, this is going to go to 0, and I have 1/3 as my limit here. But when we looked at the path y equals 0, we had 0 as a limit. So because we got two different limits for two different paths, the limit does not exist.